In this video, I am going to show you how to set up two-step verification in Payoneer. This is for extra security purposes. Go to Payoneer, click Sign in and log into your account. Click Go under and continue to Account Home. Go to Settings. If you're using a mobile browser, tap on the hamburger menu on the left top corner of your screen to go to Settings. Move down and click on Security Settings. Scroll down to Two-Step Verification. Click Turn On to activate two-step verification in Payoneer. Enter the mobile number that you want to receive verification codes through and click Turn On again to complete the setup. Enter the verification code sent to your phone and click Submit. The two-steps verification turned on dialog box will appear. Copy and save the recovery code and click OK. You will receive an email notifying you about the successful setting up of two-step verification for your Payoneer account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.